Now you know why I'm doing this. My camp set up, fire still going, right by the waterfall. Thought I'd come out here and see if I can catch myself some dinner. I think I made it out here, probably 100 yards, and guess what? There's dinner. Bon appetit. Okay, folks, this is dinner out in Discovery Passage. We got banneken with ginger marmalade and syrup, coffee, and food for the soul. Wow. It's really hard to describe the feeling of being absolutely, unequivocally alone. You couldn't get much more alone than this. Weird feeling. Well, how long? How long? How long must this go on? Oh, how long are we gonna take it? Whoa, 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 whoa. How long must we go on walking by? Well, how long? How long? How long must we go on? Must we go on? How long are we gonna take it? How long must we go on walking by?